Today I'm making a mini paperclip ring with a paperclip. We are going to use a standard 28 millimeter paperclip, or you can use 3 3/4 inches of wire. I would use a half hard wire in 20 gauge is good. You could also use 18 gauge. We are going to straighten out the paperclip, and we want to get those curves all straightened out using our flat pliers. From there, we're going to get our precision round nose pliers and do a little curve towards the end of the paperclip, and then a slightly larger curve on the other side. And then we are going to just straighten the wire up and then get some larger round nose pliers to make the other curve, so it looks like a mini paperclip. From there, we're going to get our flat nose pliers or the tweezer nose pliers and bend the wire straight out and curve it around. Now I'm using a round form. This is a Crayola marker, and we're going to bring the wire all the way around to form the ring band. So you'll have to curve out the end. So I'm getting my round nose pliers, and we're going to curve out the end of the wire to follow the form. And then we have to straighten it out so the wire goes behind the paperclip to make a straight line. And there you have your super cute mini paperclip ring, or you can also position it sideways if you prefer. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.